Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lloyd speaking. So I suppose this is the last session of the year, and let's go through some charts and see if we are able to bank in any more pips for the year end. Right. So right up my list is actually the Canadian index. So as always, I'm ranking the strongest from the top of my list to the weakest, which is at the bottom. Yeah. So for the Canadian index, I'm ranking it quite strongly. There may be a fundamental move in play, but nevertheless, whichever it is, I do expect the price to actually hit about $75. So I do hope that CAD will continue rising so I can actually bank in more pips. Yeah, it looks to be the strongest out of all. But the same could be said for any of the commodities pair. As you can see that even the Kiwi index, I rank it at a second. Yeah, so you can see price is on a long downward trend. No denial of that, but it seems to be having a stronger pullback at the moment. Looking to see if price will actually be pulling back to this level, then I'll begin to short it again. It still has some, it does indicate that it has some more strength left. Yeah, the good thing is that even on the weekly chart, we can see that there's an inside bar forming, followed by an engulfing. Usually for any trend movement, I would deem that this is quite a strong indication that price does want to reach higher. Next on my list will actually be the Aussie index. Now, this is a beautiful movement that I would say is almost about 90% the same as the Kiwi index. Yeah, so you can see that price is on a long downward trend, right? It's on downtrend. Again, price broke a very nice horizontal level, pull back, and then forms a engulfing bar. Yeah, so the engulfing bar to me is actually a stronger version of the engulfing body. Looks like it has much more momentum to go up at least to 68. If it goes up to 70, it'll be all the best, all the better. Yeah. Next on my list, Swiss is I'm not so confident already because you can see that price. Now, I think just several weeks back, do expect this move. Price have a bit of retracement. It seems that it broke through the horizontal level right now. Now it might be reaching back up to the same level over here. Let me get rid of this window, which is about 116. Yeah, historically it has been at this level and pretty much rejected. That's back in December 14th, quite some time back. Yeah, so I don't expect this bullish momentum to persist for very long. Yeah, as such, I won't be trading the Swiss currency anytime soon. Yeah, it's simply saying that I'm not too clear. I'm actually really more on a bearish sentiment as of now. No, I mean technically, it does indicate it does not show me that where it wants to go very clearly. So as such, I'll be staying out. Now, JXY, which is the dollar, the Japanese yen index. Now, the yen central bank, it has already been forecasted that it will start to strengthen next year, right? So that's the words of the news article next year. But I mean, price move as and when it wants. Yeah, so the move may actually start earlier, may actually start later. Don't know, don't care. But as it is now, it's at 70. I'm not about to trade yen until it firmly breaks it has and a retest. Yeah, once a retest is done, so I'll consider that first high and low, then I'll be much more comfortable trading a yen long. Otherwise, I'll still be a yen bear. I'll just simply be waiting for either an inside bar or a rejection bar, and then I'll still be trading it to about 66. Yeah, but for the time being, it's not very clear to me where it wants to go. I'll be staying out. Yeah, so I'll be staying out the Swiss and the yen. The British index is a bit clearer to me. Not very strong that it wants to indicate go down. Not a strong indication, but there are some signs saying that it does want to go down. So I'll be slowly building in my pound short as of now. Now this is a very nice horizontal level. You can see that price actually does have some rejection in the past. So I'll be looking for any short opportunity only for our time frame. The same could be said for the Euro index, except that the Euro index is much more clearer. At the 110, you can see that this again proves to be a very strong horizontal level in the past. Price, it did break once and then got whacked back down. So now it actually retested twice in 3 weeks' time. Yeah, so in a matter of 3 weeks, it actually tested twice. Can't seem to break this level, so I'll be building my Euro shorts. Last on my list is dollar index. I think just everybody can see it coming. Yeah, so ever since the Fed forecasted that it will start to reduce its rates. everybody has been short dollar. Yeah, so I thus suspect that the dollar index will be the hot currency for shorting for quite some time to go. So in short, any of the commodity pairs, I'll be doing a short against the dollar and start to build my position for any of the commodity pairs for a short with euro. Sorry, long with euro. Yeah. So long the commodities, short the euro and dollar. That's a summary of it. So as such, dollar cat, let's see where it is. And now on the 4-hour time frame for dollar cat, you can see that price has dropped quite dramatically. Bit of a consolidation, not as much as I like. I would prefer to see a longer consolidation now. But if it goes back down again and retest, I'll be happy to do another short position. Yeah. Then now let's see the next one, which is the Euro Kiwi. So Euro Kiwi currently at the 4-hour time frame is range bound. You can see that it has started to go short already, which is nice. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is that if price goes up to the high of the range, I'll do a short position, and then if it does a break and retest, my favorite way of trading, I will do another short position here. Yeah. So all in all, this is my forecast. Thank you for joining me and hope you have a good festive holiday. Goodbye.